Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have another Canadian breakfast menu. Now this is baked beans, menu number 6 from 2018. Yeah, that's what that number is. I've had some people comment and say that that's actually the menu number, which the menu number is right there. So yeah, let's get right to it. You guys know what the outside is. It's just a paper bag lined with foil. You have a IR code on the back, and let's open it up. And this is very simple. You just tear right into it. And we're in. Let's pull some things out. All right, the first thing we have, all right, let's see what we got. And we have a Nescafe 3-in-1. So you have sugar, creamer, and coffee. We have a raspberry jam, not bad. And we have some peanut butter. Would have never have guessed. We have another peanut butter. We got 2 now. We have a maple and brown sugar oatmeal. That sounds pretty good. And of course we have the hamburger bun. Can't go wrong with that. And we have a couple of ice sports drinks. The Canadian Mint. A Frank's Red Hot. We have one of these vanilla drink mix things, and those aren't that great. They're actually pretty bad. All right, we have the baked beans. There we are. There's the date code, 2017, 185th day. And we have a Canadian beverage bag, Canadian napkin, the new and improved Canadian spork. And for dessert, we have a fruit cocktail. There it is, dessert. We have some matches, Tic Tacs, and that's it. All right, guys, there you have the entire contents. And as you can already tell, there's a lot of components we've seen, like the peanut butter, the hamburger bun, and this thing. That stuff is terrible. But yeah, let's get right to it. Let's begin. All right, let's check out the baked beans. There they are. There's the ingredients. We have water, navy beans, maple syrup, glucose, fructose, fancy molasses, cornstarch, sugar, salt, modified cornstarch, onion powder, and spice, which makes everything nice. There's the nutritional stuff if you're into that. So there we have it. Nice shiny pouch made by Baxter's. So, and we're just gonna dump this in this pot. That's how we're gonna heat it up. So, and it goes. And we'll let that simmer for about 15 minutes, and then we'll try it out. All right, let's make some drinks. We have the Nescafe 3-in-1, sweet and creamy. Let's prepare it. Let's give it a stir. And we're gonna use the bag for the drink, so let's do that. Nice icy blue. And we're at the line. Close it up. And give it a shake. All right, it looks like our baked beans are done. Let's turn this off. All right, let's make this vanilla drink mix. And here's a little tip. Just fold this where the filling is. Make a nice crease. And you can see your fill line. So that's some water. There we go. Close it up. Shows nice and tight. And give it a really good shake. There you have it. Let's get it in our cup. All right, let's start with the instant coffee. There it is. Looks like coffee. Smells like coffee. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's actually pretty sweet. It's a nice mild roast, not too strong, not too bland. I would say it's just right. So yeah, it's a pretty good cup of coffee. Let's try the ice sports drink. Now check out that ice flavor color. All right, here we go. Yeah, not bad. Reminds me of that ice flavored Gatorade or Powerade. It's a little bit sweet and a tiny bit salty. Yeah, it's decent. And let's try out this vanilla drink mix. And I'm not a huge fan of this. It's pretty much a protein shake. It's got that weird dairy flavor, that weird protein shake flavor. So let's give it a try. Yeah, that's actually pretty terrible. It's really sweet. It's got that weird protein shake flavor to it, that dairy flavor. Not the greatest, but you know, it is what it is. All right, let's give the maple and brown sugar oatmeal a try. And we're just gonna make it with cold water. Add a little bit. And there we have our porridge, as they say in Europe, or oatmeal. All right, let's give it a try. Oh wow. It's really good. That is really good. Nice maple brown sugar flavor, very sweet, nice and milky. The texture is actually very soft, not crunchy. So yeah, that's excellent. All right, let's make a PB&J sandwich. There's our bun. There's our peanut butter. There's our peanut buddy. The raspberry jam. Let's give it a try. All right. It's really good. Definitely mix it with the oatmeal. We have to get every single drop. All right, let's try it. The bread is very soft, very much like bread. Yeah, it's just a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It's excellent. This has to be my favorite ration oatmeal. Wash it down. And I want to send a huge shout out to Art and Nina at foreignmre.com. If you need rations, check them out. All right, let's check out the fruit cocktail. And there we have the ingredients. We have water, peaches, sugar, pineapples, grapes, cherries, citric acid, absorbic acid, and artificial color. There's the nutritional stuff. And we do have another shiny Baxter's pouch. And just keep in mind the ingredients said cherries, so let's see, we have some cherries. There we have one. And we only have half a cherry, not cherries. So there we have it. All right, let's try it. And that is simply just a fruit cocktail, nothing special about it. It's very sweet. Yeah, it's a little bit disappointing that it only has half a cherry, not cherries. And there we have our baked beans. Let's open it up. There they are. And there we have our baked beans, and yeah, they just look like beans. There's no fancy stuff like bacon or ham. It's just beans. So let's give them a try. Yeah. And that is simply just baked beans. Nothing too spectacular about them. They're very sweet, very soft and tender, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And let's see if we can spice them up, bring them to life. Let's add some much needed Frank's Red Hot. Get all of it. And let's give them another try. I don't know. It's a little bit weird with the hot sauce. Now it's just sweet and vinegary. It does sort of make it better, I guess. I still wish there was some meat in there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the baked beans, menu number 6 from 2018, and I have to say this one leaves a lot to be desired. I wish there was meat in the beans, and I wish there was more cherries in the fruit cocktail. Other than that, everything else was decent. I loved the oatmeal, that was excellent, and the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You can't go wrong with that. The coffee was really good as well. Yeah, those 3 things pretty much saves this ration. Everything else I could do without. That being said, on a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this one a 6.5 out of 10. It's not the greatest, not the worst, but like I said, a lot to be desired. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the little notification bell, and you'll be notified as soon as any new content is available. Just want to give a huge thanks to all of you for, staying tuned, and a huge thanks to all my patrons. Thanks a lot for your support. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Yeah, do I really have to show this? We have Tic Tacs and a compressed napkin and matches, so yeah, nothing to see.